Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Todoist like a pro. Todoist is a powerful task and project management app used by professional students and teams worldwide. It helps you capture tasks, plan projects, set deadlines and stay productive across your device. By using Todoist like a pro means going beyond the basic list tasks. Open any of the Google web browsers and in the top you can see this address bar, type down todoist.com and enter it, and also make sure to log into your Todoist account if you already have not so. Over here you can organize your project, labels and priorities. Any of the projects for big area like work, study, personal, you can use the label for task type like email, meeting, deep work. Over here, select this three dot icon and you can label it. For task type email, meeting, deep work, use priorities. This from the P1 to P4 to decide what truly matters. Close, reply on labels for priorities, not too many projects. And you can use for the filters and labels on the left hand side right over here. Filters are what separate beginners from the pros. Today and P1, overdue, your personal, your email, and for the next 7 days. Filter gives you a custom command center for your day. And instead of one big task, you can also create the sub task. You can select to this add task over here. You can give in this description or simply on the title. You can simply type down any of the sub tasks here and you can type down your research, draft, review and submit, and this keeps project realistic and progress visible. And using Todoist like a pro means working smarter, fast task entry, clear priorities, smart filters and structured projects. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to use Todoist like pro. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.